Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Samsung device to Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 FE. Begin by opening Play Store on both and getting free app code Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then tap on the same options in both apps to set them up. I agree and I acknowledge. Confirm. Continue. Allow in first pop-up and allow all in the second one. Now tap on whatever you want to in all the other ones. When you're done, hit send at the bottom left corner of Samsung smartphone and receive right next to send at the bottom of Z Flip 7 FE. Also on Samsung smartphone, using all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files you wish to send. I will go with only a few just for example. In some of those categories, like contacts and files, you need to choose allow a few more times to access them. When you're done, hit send next to selected at the bottom. Now choose OK in white pop-up if you decided to transfer any apps. And continue by hitting got it in Here's Some Tip 1. Now decide which connection way will be better for you. If you want to connect by inputting this key, hit input key section below, enter the key. Type in all of those numbers in correct order before it expires. And hit receive button to connect. To scan the QR code though, use scanning icon above user guide. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point it at the code. Wherever you decided, just wait. Close or ads. And as you can see, after that, my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!